Welcome to QZenith video tutorials. In this video, we're going to learn about the Gedit file editor, which is a graphical based editor. So let's get started. Now, the Gedit is a simple and user-friendly text editor that comes with the GNOME desktop environment. It is designed to be lightweight and easy to use while offering essential features for text editing. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to type gedit and then the name of the file. It's going to be file2.txt, hit enter. Now it says that gedit command not found. Maybe the application or the package is not being installed. So what I can do is to install the package over here in this machine. I can do sudo. Sudo means you're going to have the administrative level privilege. Sudo apt and then install gedit and then hit enter. Now it asks you for the password. Type the password of the current user that you are logged in as. So I'm going to type the password of solved by Daves and then hit enter. Now it's trying to install. Do you want to continue? I'm going to hit Y and then hit enter. Now it's trying to install the package. Here we can see the package is successfully installed. If I'm going to do a gedit and then file2.txt, hit enter, it opens up the graphical user interface. So if you wanted to write or add any content within this file, this is the gedit file and then hit enter. Now it shows you the cursor line with the red stripe. That's why it's not visible. Let's change the color and verify if it works now. Click on the three dots over here and then the preferences, and we have got here the font colors. So here it says that highlighting the current line. So if I'm going to uncheck this, the highlighting goes. So now I can read it easily. It's not highlighted. So here we have got the numbers are also being highlighted. If I wanted to remove the highlighted number lines, what I can do is click on over here and you can just click on preferences and display number lines. Uncheck that and it's good to go now. Add some more content to this file. This is the third line and save it, close it, then cat file2.txt and hit enter. Now you can see the content of the file. Now this is how the basic of graphical file editors work, and I will show you a lot later on, but as of now I just wanted to show you how we can work with file editors. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys.